Alright everybody, so I think we're done with this thing. It's video 7 now, and I'm looking at a pretty loud wall. So we got a few little things. I got the door panels put on and got them cleaned up for him, and did some work on the doors and the roof here. Not all of it was on video, but I got some pictures. Very straightforward. I put a headliner in it and cleaned up the car. He's got to put carpet in it and the seats back in it when he comes on Saturday. I think you guys will be seeing this on our Friday. But we're going to go out and play it a little bit. We'll give you a tour of the car first and then show you what it can do. So let's get to it. Alright, so I got my laptop in here with the meter. We're going to go out and do a little testing before I'm done today. Keep in mind there's no carpet and seats because he's got to come and do that. Here's the wall. 3 DC audio level 6 18s with 3 6-inch big ass arrow ports back there. We got a pair of white LED strips and it kind of brings out a bluish purple. And we're using a red oak stain here. Front of the wall came out flawless. You can't tell where the screws are or anything. It came out perfect. And kind of a cool looking port there. We got the headliner I just put in this morning. Just a suede. And it came out pretty freaking awesome. There's not as many wrinkles as it looks. It's mostly the suede. But it came out awesome. We did some reinforcing here with some metal plates, so those are the bolts coming through, and they're up here. I gotta have him clean that up a little more when he comes. These are my old door panels out of my Jeep with the McLaren 8s and 6.5s and super tweeters and then soft dome tweeters. So it's got quite a few mids and highs going on now. Coming around to the back. Just wanted to keep it simple for now. We're not doing any super big cosmetic stuff. I know he's going to arrange some wires, but for now we got it set up for the excess power D1600s, a couple of Alpine 4 channels, and the DC Audio 9K. This is basically an 18 volt system, charges at around 18, so this amplifier is going to be doing pretty good power. We're going to go clamp it right now. That's what this blue wire is, and this clamp. I'm going to go take it down the road out of the way of the neighborhood, and we'll get some power measurements, see what this guy's doing. Everything's sky high OFC in the whole vehicle. Come around to the front. It's just the same as my Jeep practically. It's the same year. It's running a Mechman 320 amp. I believe that's a small case because mine looks a lot bigger than that in my Jeep. I run JS alternators. He's got another Access Power 3400 for his 12 volt side, and got some SMD fuse holders. He's got a cover missing, probably at home or something. External regulator for the alternator, and all the fixings. It's a 1990 Jeep Cherokee with the 4.0. It's seen quite a bit of life. Willie Madrill had this thing as an SPL vehicle for many years, and then it got changed hands a few times and ended up with Shane. And Shane is out in Reno. So if you're ever at like the Sky High Barbecue, this is where you'll see it. You'll also get to see this next weekend 2 weekends from now in Lincoln City, Oregon at Surf City. At the casino there. It's going to be the biggest event in the West Coast ever. So this is where it makes its debut. He's got to get it cleaned up and finish his interior obviously. But we're going to go play with it a little bit. I'm happy with the way it turned out. It's very nice and pretty seamless here. I put a little strip to cover up the liner there. So I think once he gets it, he's got a few little things he's got to do as far as maintenance, but the vehicle's ready to go for the show. As you can see there, it's pretty cool. So let's go get it out and we'll get some playtime with it.
I'm loaded up and I'm riding out. They talking shit, but they hiding out. Real niggas know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about. I'm talking about. I'm loaded up and I'm riding out.
Next mistake, that's a game I wanna play. Money, suit and tie, I can read you like a magazine. Ain't it funny, rumors fly, and I know you heard about me. So hey, let's be friends, and I just need how this one ends. And my hand, we can make this good for a weekend. Let's be friends. I'm ready to see how this one ends. And my hand, I can make that good for a weekend.
sure to check out the website, jeepandbase.com. You have all your products you need here from DC Audio to custom build options for those subs. You have some full throttle batteries available, box designs, and decals all here. And there's plenty more information on the website. Please come check that out. And make sure you hit this bell notification. You'll always get the updates when I post videos. So that's going to be right over here. So, thanks guys. Please like and subscribe.